The good part, shitty part. Fuck him, do that? Alrighty kids, today's an exciting day. Today we get a couple of these WRX side emblems, replacements for the straight chrome. We're going red. Another day on Jurassic Park, and today we're going to be taking off the stock fender badges. Alright, want some, get some. Cook that shit. This alien technology. What is this thing even? Last time I had hair, I think I was fucking 6. Alright, now we're gonna crack your door a little bit and see if you can't get some leverage on that thing. More heat. Conair 1000, kicking ass, taking names. So once you get the corner of it up, you kind of see. So this is 5-year-old gunk, and I mean, as long as you're trying to be at least a little bit gentle, you're not tearing fucking paint. Man, this is better than those, a lot better than the debadging process. Alright, holy shit, that was relatively fucking painless. So yeah, I'm gonna give that a little wipe up, and shit, that's ready to go. A little clean. Trusty Conair 1000 coming through again. Fuck yeah. Now I feel a little less careful doing this side, because apparently it's already fucked up. But I'm glad it's fucked up on that piece instead of a big piece. Alright, let's try that. Holy fuck. Oh, don't anybody tell you that this is fucking super easy to do. Because starting it sucks. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna need 2 hands. Alright, now I use this, and I'm not worried about that corner because it's already fucked up, so I just use my little makeshift fucking plastic wedge just to start the rip, because that stuff's got a surface tension that's tough to fucking break, and you're gonna hurt your hands trying to do it all by yourself if you don't have a plastic razor blade or anything like that. But once you start it, then you can actually feel it starting to give. So more 2 hands, here we go. There we go. There we go. And it's coming off pretty fucking good. Pretty good. I could probably stand to heat it a little more, but I'm feeling fucking loco. I'm feeling kind of loco. And you just kind of rub it off. Rub it off. The Russian, of course. Alright. Right on. Great success. We'll get that cleaned up and get to it again. Alright, now the kits don't come with it, but I highly recommend picking up some of these alcohol swabs if you're ever going to do any kind of like paint bodywork stuff. So be careful, don't rub too hard, but it'll just take all the grease and shit and make sure that that fucking thing gets good grab. You can use Goo Gone too, but this didn't really have anything on it, so I just want to make sure. Do the other side. And then there we go. Let that dry. The old Conair 1000. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Oh, the old two-hander. The old Captain Kirk. Y'all know what I mean. Oh, okay. See if I can... Oh, my old nemesis. Oh, son of a bitch. Do I need tweezers? Do I need tweezers? No. Alright, might need tweezers.